Здравствуйте, добрый день, everyone. I am at Gorky Park, one of the biggest parks here in Moscow. I mean, not much to see right now. Trees Park. Anyway, just wanted to make this video about my overall idea in what I think about Russia, you know, like kind of like in conclusion, after being in St. Petersburg for 7 days, after being in Moscow for 7 days, well, it is true what they say. Russia is not for beginners. I say if you are the type of person that is not an experienced traveler, you're the kind of person that doesn't take transit in your home, and if you're the type of person that just doesn't really have a travel experience abroad with trains and buses and all that, maybe stick to St. Petersburg. It's just it's a little easier to kind of navigate St. Petersburg at the moment. Yandex Maps works in St. Petersburg. Here in Moscow, none of the maps apps work. So yeah, I'm just gonna say if you have to come to Russia, come to Russia. It's an amazing place. I've had such a great time here. It's been such a great adventure. But maybe stick to St. Petersburg. It's just a little easier to navigate. I feel like I'm a character in a video game, and I'm just going around completing all these levels and all these missions, you know. Level complete. Level especially here in Moscow. A great city, great people. Definitely not for beginners. I feel like all of these sanctions just make it harder on tourists and people from abroad, because I mean, with all the sanctions and everything, the Russians are fine. Their restaurants are full, their stores are full, their malls are full. The economy is functioning quite well in here. For people that is born and raised in Russia, despite all the sanctions, things are all right. Now for tourists, you can't pay with anything. You have to, like, just simple things like getting a SIM card. It's just a wow. It's just a mission. So yeah, for example, simple things. Tomorrow, no, the day after tomorrow, I have to just take the bus back from St. Petersburg to the Tallinn, and now you can't purchase your ticket online, not even with a Russian card, not even with your credit card from abroad. So I have to get to St. Petersburg and go to the bus station, buy it. So just little things are extremely complicated. It's more complicated for tourists and travelers. Yeah, they just want to block you from traveling to Russia. But you know, if you love Russia like I do, and if you love the language and the culture and the architecture and the history of Russia like I do, man, go for it. It is a challenge. It's never a dull moment. It's interesting, and yeah, I mean, that's part of the adventure. Trying to get around, trying to understand the language, trying to know where to go, trying to, like, you know what to do. That's part of the adventure. So please come to Russia. It's amazing. Definitely not for beginners.